Create digital products in Canva to sell on Etsy. Validate, create, and upload. Hey guys, welcome. In this complete guide, I will show you how you can create a digital product on Canva and then you can upload on Etsy to sell. So let's get into it. First of all, you require an account on Etsy, and on Etsy, we have a niche which is digital products, and we can actually sell any kind of digital product on Etsy. We can sell digital planners, we can sell wall art, anything printable is considered a digital product which we upload and our customers download. So let me show you some of the digital products and we can kind of like get inspiration and we can see what are the different trending and top products that are doing good on Etsy. So here we have some of the digital products on Etsy that are doing pretty good. You can see they're hot sellers, and we have this Etsy course here. Then we have this painting thing, wedding painting. Then we have a planner, product ideas to create Etsy seller success guide, some of the guides and different courses available. And then we have some frame and we have a digital planner here. We have some of the wall art as well. So you can see wall art does pretty good too, and it has a lot of different views. For instance, this one has 5-star reviews and someone is selling it for $6. Then there is a lot of digital planners too. Now it totally depends on you what kind of product you want to create, but make sure to do your research on Etsy and you can check out the reviews right here, and you can also check this tag right here which says star seller. So it gives you an idea that okay, this is a star seller. For instance, this one actually says Canva 270 Instagram templates available. So we can create this one. Someone is selling it for $3.50. So we kind of like get inspiration from here. What I will do is I will create a wall art, something like this, and we will sell on Etsy. So it's actually a pretty good product that we can go for. So now we're going to switch to canva.com. Canva.com is a designing tool that allows us to create presentations, digital art. We can create wall art here. We can create t-shirt designs, resumes, digital planners. So whatever product that you will be selling on Etsy, Canva is actually a really good partner and a platform to go to create that art for free. All you need to do is just create an account on Canva. You can use your Google account or your email address. So once you are here on Canva, what we can do is we can actually click on create a design, and then we're going to select custom size, and you can select any custom size from here. Or what you can do is you can just search for a digital planner here and get to the templates. In my case, I'm going to actually get to a flyer canvas because that's going to be the same size as a wall art that I am creating. So we're just going to click on create blank canvas. So this is our Canva editor here. You can see in Canva, we have to give our file a name. So I'm just going to call it wall art for Etsy. This is my new digital product that I will be selling. Now we have different design. We have elements that we can use. We have upload, text, projects, audio, and more. So with a simple wall art, we don't need to do much. We just need some graphics, a background image, and some text. So I'm going to go to the color here and we're going to select the color for our digital art. So I'm just looking for something pink. So let's just go with this color right here. So this is going to be my background image. Now what I will do is with Canva, we get a lot of different graphics. So if you want to create a digital art, then it becomes really easy for us. We can use different stickers, we can use the footage, video, charts and tables and frames and much more. So what I will do is I'm going to go to the graphics section here and look for different graphics or whatever you have in mind. So I actually had like a woman in mind, something like this. This is the kind of art that I sell in my store. So what I do is I search for a woman, and then we can switch to the graphics section here so that we can change the color and we will be able to do a lot. So you can see here we have different types of graphics already created. We have some footage available. Some are free and some are actually paid. So I'm going to select this one right here. This one actually looks pretty good. Now I will adjust this size. You can adjust size very easily, and you can also select any kind of graphic you want to. So I have selected this one. I'm going to place my graphic right here a little above the center here because I will be using text too. So we're going to switch to text here, click on add a heading, and we will just use a text. So this is my text right here for my wall art. What I will do is I will just adjust the line spacing a little bit, and then we will change the font. So in font, again, we have a lot of different fonts to choose from within Canva, and maybe we can go with this one right here. So this is the font that I have selected. Now we will actually change the color for our text. And I'm going to go to the color gradient and select a little darker color so that we can see. Perfect. You can see now it looks pretty good. It's like a text wall art that I created for a dorm room or, even your bedroom if you want to decorate it. So you can see right here, this is my wall art, let's say. And once it's done, what we do is now you need to actually do two things on Canva. If you want to create a listing on Etsy, you need to download the file. This is going to be my wall art. So we're going to click on share, click on download, and we will download this art as a PDF. Keep that in mind. You don't need to download it as a PNG. You will be downloading it as a PDF so that people can print it. So keep that in mind. PDF standard. Best for printing. Actually, you can go for PDF print. So go for PDF print here. Click on download and your file will be downloaded as a PDF because this is the file that we will be uploading on Etsy as a PDF. Now, on Etsy, if I take you to the listing now, let's go ahead to Etsy. You can see this is my store here. I'm going to click on add a new listing. So within my listing, there is a thing where we have to upload the pictures for our art that we have created. So you can see we have to create a listing on Etsy. I cannot upload my file that I downloaded right here because that's my art. As a digital product, we cannot just upload the images onto Etsy. So for this section right here, to actually show what we have, we need to create mockup images. So this is my file right here, which is a PDF file. So we upload the file within our listing. You can scroll down a little bit. And first of all, you have to select a digital file. Let me actually create the mockup first on Canva, and then we'll get back to the listing and I'll show you where to upload the PDF file and where to upload the mockups. But we need mockup images. So we can do that on Etsy as well. We can do that on Canva too. Don't need to go to any other platform. So you can search for mockup here and you will get to all of these templates available on Canva. You can see we have this mockup here for the wall art. We have this one. Then we can scroll down to check out the others. What I will do is I will create the mockup. So I'm just going to select this one and it will take us to our editor. Let's just click on customize. So this is a mockup image. So here what you need to do is you're going to get rid of any file that is within this frame. It's very simple. In your wall art, what you need to do is you will also need to download it as a PNG. We're going to use it in the mockup. So you can download the file as a PNG as well. So it will be like two files. So let me just quickly download it as a PNG. Perfect. Now we're going to get back to our mockup. So here we're going to go to the upload section. In upload, click on upload file and select the PNG file that you just downloaded. So you can see the file has been uploaded. Okay, now we can use it. Just select the file and it will be added to your canvas here. Now, all you need to do is just, adjust it within the frame that we're getting for the mockup. So you can see it's a little bigger. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller and place it within my image here. Like this. Let's actually make it a little bit. So let's just adjust it. And this is what it will look like. You can see now we have my wall art in the mockup. We can create another image like this, or we can use this one. So this is how you create a mockup. Now click on share, click on download and download this file as a PNG, like a simple image, and it will be downloaded. So you can see it will just take a second. Now our work on Canva is done. I showed you how to create a wall art like this. You can see we have a wall art that we downloaded as PDF, and we also created a mockup image. We're gonna get to Etsy. This is my listing. First is upload image. Click on add a photo and here you will upload your mockup. So you can see it will be uploaded. And now we can scroll down to add video. Then we need to add the listing detail where we will add the title, which is going to be like a wall art. We have category. In category, it's going to be a digital product. And then we have renewal option. Here you can go with automatic manual. And here we have type physical or digital. So you need to select digital here. Once you select digital, then you can enter your description. We have some of the other options for Etsy listing. Scroll down and here we have digital file, upload file. So this is where I will upload my PDF wall art that we just created on Canva. So you can see wall art for Etsy. This is the same file that we created on Canva. Now click on save and continue and your digital product will be saved and your listing will be created on Etsy and you will be able to sell your digital product that you created on Canva. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.